My life has always been wrapped around food, and the beauty of that world is you always see something new, you always taste something new, and I'm always discovering. Like today, we're in the fjords.
You know, I'm very proud to be a Norwegian. I'm so proud of the nature. I mean, it's so clean, so pure, and when the weather is nice, there isn't any other place you want to be. The Norwegian fjords gives a special freshness to all the things that goes in it. The fresh climate, the winds, it's a lot, you know. When I started to plan the menu on Epicurean, it was important to me to bring in some of our food traditions. So this is like a real Norwegian spirit.
The magic of food is extraordinary. I'm always being surprised, and something always captures my imagination. And that's the beauty of cruising.